do you want, baby? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vid. We are packed up and ready to go on a little overnight camping adventure as a fam. So thought I would bring you guys along for the ride. Shall be fun. So we just stopped off to grab a few things, like just a few food supplies and things like that. Nothing too interesting, but Riley's ran in to do that because we've obviously got the dog. Zaid's in the back there. Say hi, babe. Trying to escape though. Anyway, so yeah, that is the intro, and I will touch base with you guys throughout. Tell me, what is it? What's on my bracelet? Buddha. Buddha. Yeah. Is Daddy taking a long time? Okay. Have you tried to escape from your car seat? Say yes. What? He's just seeing if we've got any food for him. They're so big.
I don't think you make them feed him bread though, eh?
No, no. I'm pretty sure it upsets Duck's tummy. Or like geese, whatever they are. Are they geese? Look at these beautiful birdies, Baba.
Geese are bigger than ducks.
What do you think? They're big ones, aren't they? Yeah, hold Mummy's hand. Look, look, look. They're talking to you. Wheels on the bus. Bye everyone. What do you wear on your head when you're on a bike? A helmet? Helmet. Hey, can you eat this? Is that yummy?
It's the bacon on your knee, mate.
I wonder if I can actually get this remember us on the beach that time actually? the double point, we felt like we were floating because you didn't even put it in 4-wheel drive, remember? Like, what's going on? Moving.
Look, another one.
Woohoo! Another one?
There we go, up the hill.
Woohoo!
Here we go, another one.
Oh! Oh! Wow!
Mummy's a softie, isn't she?
You're kidding me.
This isn't bad.
Huh?
Might see the horsies. I think this is where they were last time. They were standing right here last time I saw them.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh, I don't know.
There's horses out here, Baba. Look, too. They're not getting scared of us, are they?
Drove right up. I haven't touched one of their butts.
Oh.
Last time I was here.
Oh my gosh. Park here, babe. Baby, look at the horses. Oh my gosh. One's doing a poo in the bush. You've got to be quiet. You've got to be quiet.
Pretty tight. Even this is a nice spot. Like, look at the view from here.
I know, it's beautiful. Can we stay here?
You can see wherever we want.
Yeah, that's what you said, eh? Oh my gosh, Zaid, Mummy is... I love horses. Can you hold this for a minute? I'm going to see if they... that cool or what? I'll have to get my phone out. Actually, might get a photo. There's another horsey in the grass. Wow, Zaid, this is crazy. Wow, babe.
Oh, Kev.
Oh, hold on. How is that seeing horses? What? That was the best thing ever. Wasn't it? I know. But they would just wander wherever, hey? I was so lucky to see them. Oh, bumpity bump. Oh. Hold on. Wow. Hold on. What are you two up to? You're running? Oh, fall down. How's this view, Zaid? Careful, not down the hill though. Campfire, keen for that. So what did you get to have with the snacks? Just bread, hey?
And onions.
Oh yeah, cool. Easy. Zaid, this is where we're sleeping. Look what Daddy's putting up, the swag. Oh, off there, please. Off there. That's where the fire's gonna be. Oh my gosh. I reckon that horse could easily just come down here, hey? Should I be worried? The horse we met up the top of the hill showed a little bit of interest in me. A little bit. Kept following me everywhere. I don't want to say what he got either. Because it's on camera. Wow. Leave it, please. Ah, you little bum. Leave it. Help me make the bed. Got Mummy's pillow. Daddy's pillow. Gina. Oh, good night. Look at this kid. Good night. How's your view from out here? Wow. Yeah, that's alright, babe. Just all of a sudden. Might be time for a jumper soon, Zadie. It's time for a bush walk. Oh. We were just so lucky to get this weather though.
Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? Like it's a little bit windy, but it's nice.
Yeah, but it was like raining 2 days ago. I think it would still be okay in the rain though, to be honest.
Yeah.
Hey. Just maybe that shelter where you... Pardon? What are you saying?
Like in the rain, you'd be like under a tree too.
Yeah.
Set the gazebo up under the trees. And...
Like it's so beautiful.
Oh, here we go. They cut. Oh, look, he's already spotted it.
Has he?
I'm just trying to see.
Okay, nice. Oh my god. The horsies are coming. I'm filming me, don't worry. The boys are having a wee break. So we came up before and seen this horse, like you probably would have seen. Actually, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, but we
Not gonna go near him unless we do.
came up before and there are two male horses, but one in particular. I can't even say it. Let's just say he liked me a little too much. Hey, babe. Oh, it was a bit scary. Yeah, we're seeing the horsies again. Watch out for the poo. Oh, make sure you watch this dog, hey. You got it. Whoopie days.
Wanna hold? Wanna hold or not?
No, he's got it, I think. Just go slow.
Harness on you or something.
Just go slow, okay?
I'm just here in case you're gonna fall. You just focus on what you're doing.
Look, look, look. This is what you do with it. Ready? Come on, we'll go have a look at the creek. Excuse me, Daddy can drive. Daddy's gonna drive. Guys, I can't even tell you how beautiful it is out here. I would do this every second of every day if I could. It's just nature. Oh, can't get enough. Look how big that log is. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a bit tricky. Tricky. Look, we walk over here. Walk over here.
A turtle.
Is there a turtle? Where? You're kidding.
Turtle.
There's probably froggies and tadpoles in there.
A pose.
I think I can see one actually.
Let's see.
Stop, don't go too far. They actually are.
Ah.
Little tadpoles. Careful, not too far. Is your foot okay? Maybe you get stuck. What's wrong? You okay?
Look.
Whoa, slippery. Go back this way. Gonna go this way. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Go stand over here for a second. Oh, go up there. Go up that way. Let me get the camera.
Another.
Whoa!
Never.
It's a rock.
Never. Never.
Not long until sunset. I'm literally counting down.
Muddy.
Muddy. Should we go find Daddy? Should we go find him? Hey, can I have a kiss?
No.
Oh,
Yes.
what? Cut up on camera? It's a little wallaby. Yeah. No, don't scare him. Archie. No, don't scare him.
Oh.
Oh, baby. Daddy, we scared him.
Lamb.
Didn't we? We scared him. Oh, never mind. We'll go back up, hey? Set up the sunset. Daddy made it.
Daddy.
Are you having fun at camping? Hey, are you having fun camping? You okay, Arch? Like death by food.
There's still some in there.
Come on.
Mm. You're having fun at camping.
Dog's serious. Got serious.
Yeah. What's up?
Mama.
Yeah, baby. Come say good morning. Good morning. Oh. Archie's over here, mate. To you.
That's some noise in that coffee.
Oh. They would love the mint hot chocolate. Come here. Come here. Say good morning. Good morning to Mummy. Give me a kiss. Okay. You can have it for a little bit. Go show everyone where Archie is.
Aziz. Yeah, Aziz. Yeah, Aziz. Aziz.
Turn the camera around, bud.
Later.
Careful, Zadie. Come over here to Mummy, please. Come
Go
over
to
here
Mummy. Go to Mummy.
To Mummy.
Around.
See the fire? Can you get the fire? Ooh, wow. Oh, Archie's doing a morning SHIT in the wilderness. Where'd you get it in? Zaid, no, I want you to come back here because Archie's just got a clear over there.
Come now. This is architects.
Yeah. Are you gonna have a hot chocolate, Zaid?
Chocolate. Chocolate. One chocolate. Ma. Mama's sugar. Uncle.
Daddy's gonna hit the water and then he's gonna. Can I have a sip of water actually, babe? Are they all black cockatoos up there?
I think they're crows.
Ah.
Yeah, they're crows.
What's your fire? Oh, I didn't bring a sippy cup. There's another bottle in there though.
Just use that.
Water?
Yep.
It'll work, and then I'll just wash it out.
Yeah, you could. He'll probably want the mellows though out of it as well.
You want
Oh,
mellows?
they're over there, babe.
Oh, let me see. You want a mellow?
And a mellow. Look, over there. Oh. Just coming to film the brekkie, babe. Chef Dad 101. Hi guys, it's Chef Dad. Welcome back to my channel. What do you got here? Just your standard bacon and eggs.
With a la eggs.
Oh, Zaid! No. Pick that rubbish up and bring it to the bin, please. Don't you kick it into the bush. That's not what we do with rubbish. Pick it up and put it in the bin now. Thank you. You can kick it around, but just don't kick it into the bush. It doesn't belong there. You gonna drink your hot chocolate or no? Why not?
Water.
Oh, water. Okay, well, I got mine. Breakfast is ready. Waiting for the sun, do. Waiting for the sun, and I say it's alright. Do.
Daddy.
It's not too bad. It's still, yeah, it's watery, which is kind of good.
Yeah, it doesn't have much milk in it.
Yeah. Oh, breakfast time. Breakfast. Say thank you, Daddy. It's your chocolate, but yeah.
Chalk.
Oh, it's going all over him.
It doesn't fit in there, I'm sorry, buddy. The chair's too small.
I was actually just thinking that, to be honest.
There you go. It's right there for you when you want it.
Good invention.
Try and get some bread.
Some bread.
Yeah, somewhere.
Mama.
Hi. Is that yummy?
Yeah. Bye.